Ethiopia's economic tightrope, a financial deep dive for 2025. What's really going on in Ethiopia's financial world? Forget the headlines. We're diving deep into the birr's wild ride and what it means for you, whether you're an economist, investor, or just trying to make ends meet. Let's talk currency. The official story says the birr depreciated by 3.7%. Okay, fine. But the real story? Since July 2024, it's plummeted up to 60% against the USD on the open market. That's not just a dip, it's a free fall. And the black market? Forget the official 116.135 birr per USD. We're seeing rates of 140, 160 birr. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the erosion of trust and stability in the financial system. Remember when inflation peaked at 35.1% in December 2021? Things haven't exactly calmed down. While projections aimed for 18.5% by the end of 2024, the current reality is a rapid climb, fueled by, you guessed it, currency instability. For fixed-income earners and the urban poor, this isn't just an economic statistic. It's a daily struggle to afford basic necessities. The purchasing power is shrinking faster than you can say economic reform. The IMF's $3.4 billion package and the mandated currency float in July 2024 were supposed to be the magic bullet. But have they worked? Commercial banks are grappling with a severe liquidity crisis, and the black market is thriving. It begs the question, are these reforms truly helping, or are they exacerbating the underlying issues? It's a high-stakes experiment with the livelihoods of millions on the line. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The black market is becoming the de facto financial system. The government's market-based exchange system feels more controlled than transparent, leaving many in the dark. Imports are becoming ridiculously expensive, crippling businesses and driving up consumer prices. The urban poor and those on fixed incomes are bearing the brunt of this economic turmoil. It's a crisis of affordability and access. From a financial analysis perspective, the data paints a concerning picture. The depreciation of the birr has far-reaching implications for businesses, investors, and the overall economy. Import-dependent industries are particularly vulnerable, facing increased costs and potential supply chain disruptions. Investors need to carefully assess the risks associated with birr-denominated assets, considering the potential for further devaluation. Economists should focus on developing strategies to stabilize the currency and mitigate the impact of inflation on vulnerable populations. So, what can you do? First, diversify your currency holdings. Don't put all your eggs in the birr basket. Minimize long-term birr-denominated assets to shield yourself from potential losses. Keep a close eye on import-dependent business sectors. They're the canaries in the coal mine. And be ready for potential government intervention. It's likely to happen. The road ahead is uncertain, but not hopeless. By understanding the underlying dynamics and taking proactive steps, you can navigate this challenging financial landscape. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and don't be afraid to question the official narrative. Ethiopia's economic situation demands attention and action. Don't just stand by and watch. Start diversifying your investments today to protect your financial future. Share this analysis with your network to raise awareness and foster informed discussions. Subscribe to our newsletter for ongoing updates and in-depth financial insights. Together, we can navigate these turbulent times and work towards a more stable economic future.